Sebastian. You're the most wonderful person I can imagine building a life with. You're the first person I want to share my joy with. You're the first person I want to hold me when I cry. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.
And if you're lonesome, I can be your friend.
Having you by my side through the last 10 years has been the greatest thing I've ever chosen. You're my biggest advocate, my closest confidant, and you understand me more than anybody. I couldn't imagine anyone better standing across from me today.
I'm gonna give